Hello, people, and today I'll be talking to you about the Earth safe from asteroids close flyby next week. So, right now I'm currently videoing this on the 5th of February 2013. So, I got news from Yahoo News talking about a meteor or asteroid, let's say, that is getting close to Earth, so close that you can actually see it through binoculars, and it is 150-foot wide asteroid. So they're supposed to say that they're saying that we're going to be able to see it on February 15th. But that's only on the other side of the place. So that means that we're not going to be able to see it. Any who are in Australia or Europe or something, I'm in Seattle, so anywhere like Australia or something, you get to see the asteroid if you look through binoculars. Yeah, so this is what it shows it's supposed to do. It's getting even closer than the ring plane. It's supposed to fly very, very close to Earth. That's the moon's orbit. The stuff that, crap. Yeah, so you get it, right? Yeah, so the meteor asteroid supposed to fly so close, but it flies closer than the moon is supposed to fly past. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Yes, but the Earth is going to be right next to an asteroid on the 15th of February. Seattle, you can't see it. But they're saying that it's not going to hit us, but it's just going to be very close. Closer than where the moon orbits us. Yeah, so bye-bye, and I will see you later. And by the way, you might be thinking, this is not Minecraft, but I just wanted to, shut up. I just wanted to show you this. So, bye.